Hello friends, this is Sandeep, research scholar from University of Jammu. So in the last video we have learned how to extract import data from Web of Science database. So in today's video we will learn how to extract and import data from Scopus database. So for this let's go to the home page. So in the Google just type Scopus. So this is the web page. Just click here and you will redirect it to this is the home page of Scopus. So here you have the option to search the document on the basis of the article title, the abstract, and the keyword. So let's search any keyword. So for example, I have type a keyword. Make sure your keyword is in the inverted comma and just click here, search. So here you can see that on the basis of this keyword HR analytics, I have found 553 articles. So in the last video, as you have seen, you can add more keywords here. So this will give you a comprehensive list of all the documents. So you read many paper, so you must know the topic you have choose here. Maybe this topic is known by a certain number of more names. So you can choose the Boolean operator that is or and type another word, then again or and then type another words. So for example, you will go down here. You can see that these are the article. These are the article name. And you can see the abstract, the publisher. These are the authors. These are the journals, their volume and page number. These are the year and citation. So let's see here. You have 553 article, so it is a big number. So you have to just filter your article so that it will come on a specific number, so that your review will conduct in a better manner. So here you have refine option. Here you can see that is refine search. So you can include and exclude certain criteria here, like you have seen in my previous video of Web of Science. So let's go down. So here you have the shop option of subject area. If you want to filter your search criteria on the basis of subject, so you can choose business subject. Here you can choose business and management and some economics and based upon your criteria. Here you can see that in business you have 288 articles and economics you have 106 papers. So let's see another criteria. You have document type. So you can choose only the full-fledged final published article, that is 235. Just click here. Or you can choose the conference paper, book chapter, review, and another. Likewise, you have option here, publication stage. You can choose the final, that the paper that are in the final publication state and published by the journal, that is 530. Just click here. Or the article in best, you can choose here. You can specific to certain keywords. For example, if you want to exclude certain keyword and include specific keyword related to your search, so you can just click here and mark here. You have university affiliation. If you want certain university, you want to review based upon certain top 10 university or some North University or some university outside India, so you can click here. You have country specific. If you want to review on the basis of India, geographical only India, and you can choose some another country, United States, Germany, or all of the country. So I rest here. So likewise, you have journals. You have journal, conference proceeding, book series. So I choose only journals that are full-fledged journal, that is 272. Then you have filter according to your language. If you want English language, choose here, that is 549 article. or some another article that is German, Italian, or Russian. And then you click here limit to. Let me show you for your easiness. Just go in the upper side. Here you can see that with the keyword of HR Analytics on the basis of article abstract and keyword, you will find 553 article. So when I apply this filter and click here limit to, so here you can see that my article go down to 139. So I can easily review this article for the easiness of uh, researcher. So here, just click here, select all the document, click here export. So here you can get option for the export. You have CSV file, that is comma separative, that is the Excel file. You have RS file that is also supported in many software. You have bibtext file that is supported in the bibliometric analysis in our software. And you have also plain text, it is also here. So likewise in the bibliometric analysis, you can choose CSV or you can choose bibtext file. For example, I choose CSV. I can click here. Here you have also the option of reference manager. If you use some reference softwares, Mendeley, Reference Works, Zotero, EndNote, so you can get the file here of 139 article, and easily you can import to your reference software for your writing purpose. So let's click CSV file here. So you will get option here. These are the citation information like author, document, year, volume. You have bibliographical information, PubMed, publisher, languages, affiliations. Then you have abstract, keyword, author keywords, index. You have funding information like you have funding sponsors and other information, conference, including references. I click all these so that I can, in the later stage, I will exclude these. Just click here, export. So here you can see that 139 document for CSV is exporting. Just wait for 1 minute and your CSV file is downloaded. So in this way, your file is downloaded. So you can just go to your download option. So in the download option, you will see that your file is saved, and just use this file for your bibliometric analysis. So that's all for today's video. So if you like and useful my video, you can like and subscribe to my channel, and you can also see my previous videos related to our software. Thank you.